What's up, YouTube? This is the Wisco Boater channel. My name is Chad. Forgive my voice. I worked the EAA AirVenture trade show last week and I lost my voice. It's been a few days. It's starting to come back, but still a little bit crackly. So I'm on board Thirsty Whale, and in this video, I thought I'd give you a tour of the marina, some of the boats around me, and we'll just take a walk around and show you what the marina here at Skipperbud's QuarterDeck in Sturgeon Bay has to offer. So get my shoes on and we'll go for a little walk. All right, we'll head off the boat. It's a beautiful morning. There's no wind really, just a slight little breeze. So we'll step off the boat here. Got a nice big boat heading out right there. I'm not sure what that is, but I saw that come in last night. So that's my friend Scott and Heidi Bader. They're beautiful Carver 36 aft, named Martini. This boat next to me is Mark and Mandy. They are super people, and we love having them as neighbors. Their boat is named Uncorked. They are winemakers in their spare hobby time. There's a couple boats missing right now. This slip right here has a brand new Ranger tug. I think it's a 36 or 38, something like that. And then this slip right here that has the missing boat, unfortunately, is a Chris Craft Roamer. And I wish I could show that to you, but he has that boat in haul out for new paint. So there's the Carver 33 from Mark and Mandy, Thirsty Whale on the other side. So we have my Chris Craft Catalina over there, and we have a Chris Craft Roamer over here, of course the Carver, and this is our other friends John and Jen, and this is a 1969 Chris Craft Commander 35. It's a beautiful boat, has new engines in it, 327s I think, and this boat sounds amazing when it starts up. So this is a look off the end of our dock here. You've probably seen this in some other videos that I've done of ships passing by. Looks like I missed another fairly big yacht on its way out down there. There's also normally a 60-foot Sea Ray at the end of the dock here. They're out on a trip. So we take a walk back down the dock here. Interestingly enough, this Trojan right here, I think it's a Trojan 28. No, Trojan 35, I think is what it is. Trojan 35. This boat is formerly owned by the Baders. So their old boat is right next to them. This boat here is kind of interesting. It's a Beneteau Oceanus 34. A guy named Nick owns this. Really cool guy. This boat was formerly owned by a Walmart executive and is now based up here in Sturgeon Bay. A couple of sailboats, 3 sailboats on this side of me. Another one here. We don't see these people very often. Take a little detour over here. But there is a private marina off to the east-southeast of QuarterDeck. And that is a marina where basically anyone in this neighborhood, or those condos, I think, the purchase of a home or condo comes with a slip. Maybe not the condos, because we do have some friends that live in the condos and they're over here at QuarterDeck. But that's a nice private marina over there. And then one dock I probably am not going to tour in this video is that one there where that blue and white boat is. That is a Skipperbud's dock right next to the haul out. Okay, a couple of red boats
we'll just walk down. Morning.
And one boat I do want to point out as I walk up towards the parking lot here is this Bayliner Discovery. It's a Bayliner Discovery 246. Very nice people. I like this boat because it kind of looks like a miniature version of my Catalina. This boat was purchased at the end of the Discovery line and is very unique. The owner told me I think there's only 5 of these that were built, maybe 8. And this one has every option that Bayliner offered because they had a bunch of extra parts and options available at the time. So they loaded this boat up just to get all their stuff out of the factory before they closed it down. So pretty cool lines on that one. And of course right here, you've seen this before, this is the all-out well. And walk up into the parking lot. It's a Tuesday morning and there is really nobody here. So parking lot is fairly empty. Here's the 50 metric ton travel lift. Empty parking lot. This is filled up on the weekends. And over here we have the shipyard where people store their boats both on and off season. Most of these are in some various state of repair or restoration or long-term storage on the hard. Got big storage buildings out here. We have service over there, service and parts. Very good people that work over there. And then we'll walk back towards the clubhouse, which is right there. Back on the other side of the parking lot where things get pretty again. This is E-Dock. This is where some of the smaller boats are kept at this marina. Ones that are in the 18 to 25 foot range. And then there's the fuel dock. That's where we go for pump outs and gas, of course. And then these docks here are for the big guys. The 50 and 60 footers. There's a couple of boats that aren't here right now. But there are some really big boats. I think there's a 65 footer. That's where that pontoon boat is right there. Normally a 65 foot boat. And then on the other side is mostly fishermen, the charter guys, and we'll access down to the fuel dock. It's really a pretty marina. A little stream right here. Nice little pergola kind of building with a fireplace. There's a bunch of grills around here. You're not allowed to grill on your boat, but they do provide grills for people to use. You can see there's several of them in the pergola there. Access to the fuel dock as mentioned. And this is the clubhouse at QuarterDeck Marina. We'll continue our walk down the path over here. This again is the fuel dock. This is a combination of I believe C, D, and H dock. This pathway leads first to the separate restroom facility over here, as well as the laundry room. So the bathrooms are over there, laundry room is there. And this here is B dock. This is where Clifford was. Clifford was last slipped here before we sold it. And there is one more dock. I'm not even sure how to get to it. Go over here. I've never been over here before. Nope. I don't even know how you get there. All right, I think I may have found the path to A dock. Let's go down there because I've never been there. You can see this is not the best way to get to your boat, but out here on A dock, nothing against the people that have boats out here, but I guess you kind of get what you pay for. I have no idea where I'm going. So yeah, walked around the corner there and find this is where they dock the weed boats. These keep our marinas clear of the underwater grass. And then down here is A dock. Kind of a lonely place, but a couple of nice boats out here. Likely nobody out here because these are not overnight boats. As I said, there's no power and no water out on these docks. Dinghy dock, I guess, on this side. Yeah, there's little stuff. Kind of a cool old sailboat there, a little tiny wood sailboat. That's the Sturgeon Bay Yacht Club over there. They teach sailing, and there's a regatta club they take the kids out on, or the kids go out on and race. And then there's the mooring field. And looking back over at QuarterDeck, that's B dock. Yeah, video back up when I get back over to the main part. Okay, back over on the main side of the marina, in front of the Clubhouse offices there. We do have a nice big pool that I have actually never used, but we might do that in the next couple of days. And back over to the service buildings and shipyard storage area, but nice big pool. And there's a little play area for kids, playground set. There's a volleyball net that sometimes is set up, and there's a horseshoe pit over there as well. Really a nice marina, full service, lots of nice friendly people. So there you have it, a walking tour of the Skipperbud's QuarterDeck Marina, Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Beautiful place. We love being here, and met some really great friends and love being up here every weekend. So hope you enjoyed that quick tour. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and if you want to be notified when I post new videos like this one, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel. Happy boating, everybody.